These high-tech signs display the most accurate travel time advice you can get, and it's displayed for all drivers. No phones required. This information is delivered directly from detectors installed along our roads. They detect the number of vehicles, speeds, and calculate live travel times for all drivers. The navigation apps on smartphones don't have access to this data. Instead, they use satellite, historical, and user-provided information. Congestion can result from a range of incidents and events. Our network of sensors detects what's happening in real time, while navigation apps rely on historical data that can have a delay. Live data isn't all these signs offer. Our Transport Operations Centre can override the displays when incidents occur on the roads or a significant delay is anticipated. Teams in this central nerve centre can also publish advice for road users, such as incident alerts and alternate routes. That's advice for motorists direct from the team working around the clock to keep our roads moving. It's all thanks to smarter roads.